Hey guys, come on in. This is George again. What I want to show you today is how to put on a figure eight and take it off and put on different things without melting it. Because I know a lot of people have a lot of problems with it, try to put it on and they end up melting the actual figure eight or the actual tube. Okay, come on in. So you can see I grabbed just the barrel clasp here. This has the figure eight on it. Most of them are soldered on, not lasered on. So you can see them. If you want to put the tube on, you just put the tube on and you put the wire through it, bend it, and shape it to that size. But let's say you have an old barrel clasp, which is I do. I have tons of them. I take them off. So dip it in alcohol and boric acid. So you have a few options, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take it off. I'm going to show you how to take it off here very quickly. So we're going to light up the torch like I showed you. We start flame, propane, oxygen, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it here like this. So what I do, I never heat on the actual figure eight. I always heat on the actual barrel clasp. I always heat on the thickest part of the item that I'm working on. So here, let's go. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to grab it here. So what I do, if you notice, I'm going to heat on the back of the barrel clasp. Let me see over here. So this is a much cleaner pad here. Okay. So can you see me this way? No, because I have to stand it. Okay. So I'm going to go like this. So watch, I heat this area here. So this should fall right off. You can see it came right off. Okay. So now, because I never heat on it directly, I only heat on the barrel clasp. So if I'm going to go put it back on, so I make sure I support it down. Okay. Let me clean this a little bit. All right. So I take a very small piece of solder. Very tiny. A lot of times I would use the actual existing solder that's there, but I want to put it in a different spot. Okay, I want to show you how to put it on there. So I'm going to use a small piece, not too much. You don't want it, because what happens if you heat it too much, ends up going into the actual tube and will freeze it. So you won't be able to actually do it. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take, you could flux it a little bit here. Not a lot. You know, always flux boric acid. Okay, right there. So I take my actual piece that I put on. Now watch again, I use the belly, and see it this way now. So I use the belly of the flame right here, not directly. I never go directly. So I go here, I put the solder on, and as I do it, I increase my oxygen, so it drops right in very quickly, because this is soldered on as well. So if I go to heat this here, watch this. So if I heat it, see, look how I work it up and down, up and down. Now watch the solder. It's not going to melt, because what happened, I'm pointing all my heat on this side versus here. So in my oxygen, show my hand, Nora. So my oxygen and propane is working its way here. So when I heat it, so I'm going to take this jump ring off. So work it very slowly. You can see the jump ring came off. So if I put it back on, I would heat it the same way as I put it on. Up and down until you see it. Okay? Back on. Now, if I want to put this on, so when I grab this, I always grab the soldered area already. Can you zoom in a little bit? You can see the solder. So try not to go into a cleaner side, go to the actual solder. So if I want to put it directly on the solder, so I heat the solder. As it starts melting, then I bring this tube in. So watch, I go side to side. I control my oxygen. As it starts coming and stop melting, I stick it on there. And it stays nice and flexible. So if I don't do that, what happened is, watch this, I'm going to make a mistake. If I heat it directly, okay, this froze. Okay? Here's what happens, because the solder it fused together here, so that's no good. So that's why a lot of people make the mistake. So let's say I'm going to ball this up here. When you squeeze them together here, so if I melt them, I let the ball drop in just like that. Okay, but that's how you want to do it. You don't want to go do this like this and you end up doing this. Okay, so I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, if you really guys want me to work on anything that you want specific, I would be more than happy to do it. And thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.